Hey, Brian Young. Hey, Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.com. That's ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. No, my brother's not here, so he's not going to interrupt me talking. All right, so we got 2 new items in this week. Actually, 4 items, because there's 2 versions, or 2 colors, and 2 versions of each of these RC cars. This is a brand new item from IMEX out of Florida. They make a great product, and this is there's 2 versions. This is the Shogun. It's 1/16 2.4 gigahertz RC cars, and these are great. Just your first generation RC car. Okay, now listen. I'm just going to tell you honestly. Okay, I am not an RC expert, and I don't want to be an expert. Okay, I just want to give you a great product at a great price. Okay, and these are well engineered by an American, IMEX, obviously made in China. They're ready to run. That means that you plug the power in and it's ready to run. That's what RTR is. They're 4-wheel drive, 2.4 gigahertz, qualified shock, adjusted shocks. They're just awesome shock all shock absorption, if I can get that word out. Ball bearings, you can get it brushed and brushless versions. Okay, so this is the brush version of the Shogun, which are the trucks. All right. They also have optional metal spur gears, and that's accessories. When we have all those. If you want to upgrade, I have all the parts. So when you look in your manual, you'll see all the extra parts that are available, and I can get all the parts that are available to your car, okay? I have them right here in a box, right over there. They sent me a whole box of parts right down there. And also, when you get this kit, you also get a free, when you buy these, I hate opening this up, but I'm going to offer this as a demo. This one is going to be a demo. You get a LED lights. You plug this into your receiver. Gotta get that in there. You plug that into your receiver. Okay, and these will go right here. Check that out. These are free. This is a free upgrade. Okay. They get in this. They're a little rubber. A little rubber hole that this kind of just sticks in there like that. There you go. And it comes with tie strips. We'll tie that down and everything. I just wanted to show you what it looks like, and then you turn it on. Once that's connected, then you've got lights. All right. Now, obviously, it's not going too fast right now because I haven't really charged the battery full charge. But when I want you to see something, I want you to see how well the servo is on the steering. Great turning on the servo. Very high distance from the ground up. That's the center of ground, or the what do they call that? Ground clearance. A high ground clearance, so you'll be able to do a lot of rock racing. Oh gosh. Oh. Let's do some rolling right here. Did I just burn the battery out? I think the battery's dead. No, we're not. That must have been pushed. Okay, so it comes with your nice body. Now you always want to peel off the this. A lot of people never peel this off, which you have to, because then it shows the nice how shiny the bodies are. I leave mine on until I sell them because I want the customer to do that exciting feature of tearing off the plastic. So this comes in 2 versions, and when you go to ProTinkerToys.com, there's 2 variants. for the colors, because this comes in blue and this comes in green or yellow. It comes in orange, yellow, and blue. Orange and blue are for the brushed versions, and yellow for the brushless version. Okay, so there's two versions of this RC car, and the pricing on these is just really good. I mean, I have RC cars now for all price points. I'm becoming the RC king. All right, for the average consumer. Okay, now I don't have Traxxas yet. I don't want to get into the high volume. I wanted to get into things that are quick and affordable for the average consumer. Okay, that's why I'm getting these. Okay, and these are the Shoguns. There's two versions, and it's IMAX. This is IMAX. IMX19010 for the orange and the blue, and then IMX19015 for the brushless version of the Shogun. And that's brushless now. That you don't have any brush. It's a brushless car. It means, remember when I told you about a brushless car or a brushless motor? Is normally a motor you have this is the shaft, and there's two. You have your two positive, negative, and they touch the shaft. And so when the shaft turning, you have these two brushes that are touching the shaft, which is kind of creates a friction. Well, with the brushless, you don't have these two prongs. It's basically on the casing. The two different things are on the casing. So there's nothing touching the shaft. And it can get go a lot faster, okay? Lots less friction. Pretty cool, huh? Here, let me put... Now this is going to be sold as a demo, okay? A blue one as the demo. I don't want to run this too much, but we'll go outside real quick just to give you an outdoor feeling of it. I don't want to get it too dirty because people are going to buy it and they're going to know that but it's been a demo, okay? It's been outside and run. So if you buy it, you're buying it because it's been tested outside, okay? So come on, let's go outside real quick. Just to give you an idea what it's on the grass, how it runs on the grass. And the battery's dead. I didn't charge the thing fully. There we go. It's back going. All right, this way. The turning is really great. It's got great turning. Holy cow, that just flipped over. Now this is on a battery that has not been charged. Oh, wait a minute. Hey, do I still have sound? Oh, I think I have sound. Can you hear me from there? Oh, you're going to be doing a demo. Oh, gosh. All right, come on inside. All right, so we did a test on the car. Outside, really durable. Did I lose my sound in here? Boom, ha-boom, okay. Because they couldn't see us outside. We went outside, everybody, doing a demo. So this is the Shogun, and the Ninja is right here. And we got great pricing on this. This one right here will be sold as a demo, okay. And we'll probably knock off, I don't know how much, we'll knock something off on it, so it's a good deal. But we've got plenty of the cars. We've got the Ninja, we got the Ninjas right here. We'll be doing that one next. I'll just take it out of the box real quick. That's the Ninja. That's a really cool car there, the Ninja. And that one has a bar on it, a wing that you screw on. That's pretty cool. But this is the brand new item from IMEX, available at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell when you're watching my videos so you'll get the next video that we do. Okay? Don't forget to share this with your friends. And thanks a lot at ProTinkerToys.com. Have a great day. Bye-bye.